Hey guys, wanna know how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 5. And now, in order to add crypto, make sure you are on this codes tab right here. Now, since we are in a demo account, we should be able to get this for free. Now here on this add icon on the top right here, and then select Forex, and right here as you can see all of these are cryptos. Now you can just simply add any one of them. Now let me just add CNHJPY, and that's it. It has been automatically added to your codes, as you can see right here, CNHJPY, and just simply click on it and then select chart, and there you have it. Crypto has been successfully added to MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.